Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new here. So today we're going to be making fried eggs on toast. So I'm not going to give too much away. You'll see how it turns out. Let's go! Cut up one mango or however much you want to use. We will be making mango puree. After pouring into a blender, add in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Now it's time to blend. There's some stubborn mango here. We'll be sifting the blended mango to extract the puree. Oh, yeah. It's raining mango. Toast the bread. Add in 1/4 cup yogurt of your choice, ideally without any flavoring so it will not overpower the mango flavor. Now add in 1 tablespoon of milk and mix. The consistency should look like this. Place the yogurt mixture on top of the toast because you are trying to replicate the appearance of egg whites. Make an indentation in the middle and place the mango puree for the yolk. I think I did a great job. This is good?
I think that's good.
Look at that ooze. Now that we have it, we're gonna try it. Okay. Try it.
Oh god. That's like a runny yolk.
It's sweet.
Oh. It's not bad. I think I made a other type of bread it's gonna pick off.
Yolk is runny. I like it. It's pretty healthy. Takes a while, but it's fun. If you use like sourdough, it's not gonna work. So this is milk breads are the best for this. So how many of you actually guessed that that was mango? Because I was definitely fooled when I first saw it. I really thought it was just a fried egg. But it was really fun to take on this project, and it was inspired by this Reddit user. I'm going to put the link in the description below. So in the recipe, it actually called for mascarpone, cheese, and heavy cream. However, instead, I used Chobani Greek yogurt, non-fat version, and also milk, so that it becomes a little bit more creamier and can get that really good looking texture of egg whites. I'm so happy how it turned out. It's actually a healthier alternative and a great way to start your breakfast with the fried egg. So if you like content like this, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when next time I upload. Thank you guys so much again. Have a good one. Bye! Non-Greek fat yogurt. Non-Greek, no, not fat, Greek yogurt. So in the recipe, it actually called for mascarpone cheese, mascarpone.
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 Cut to cat.